It's helpful for readers to pause occasionally as you are reading to organize what is happening in the text so far. So, you guys are going to organize Love That Dog by summarizing what happens each month in the story. So, if you see this Google Classroom icon right here, you're going to want to go to your Google Classroom, and under the Great Heart topic, there's going to be a monthly events assignment. Okay, that monthly events assignment is going to have a place where you can do a summary for each month. So when you open that assignment, you're going to want to put your name on the first slide. And then you're going to have the name of each month for the book and a box to put the events that happen each month. So here you've got September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, and May and June. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and think about what do you think are the most significant events that happened in September? And I want you to go and record those events in that assignment in your Google Classroom. Okay, and then you're going to want to do the same thing for October because those are the 2 months that we have already read. So go ahead and go fill those 2 pages out.